What's up, guys? It's your boy Just J21X on YouTube once again. I want to say good afternoon to each and every one of y'all. Hope everybody's having a great and amazing weekend. Thank y'all guys for clicking on this video. So today, guys, we're here at a car meet, y'all, for Mel'S Diner. We got here literally like 10 times earlier than what I never expected, but there's not a lot of cars here yet, you know. So with that being said, without further ado, y'all, let's just get right into the video, y'all. Hope y'all guys enjoy the video. Y'all leave me some likes, some comments, all that good stuff. Share with y'all friends, family, whoever, y'all. Y'all help me get up to 900 subscribers on YouTube, y'all. We almost there, y'all. I got 855 subscribers right now. Y'all give me up to 900 and I'll be very, very, very happy. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, y'all. So we're not too far where we at, y'all. We're still working. We're still making progress. So with that being said, without further ado, let's just get right into the video, y'all. Hope y'all guys enjoyed. Y'all leave me a comment on which favorite, you know, of y'all car that y'all really like which car is y'all favorite in the video. You know, definitely gotta get y'all to, you know, comment. I see a lot of y'all subscribe, but y'all gotta start liking and commenting on the video and sharing. You know, if y'all help me, you know, help me get up to 1,000 subscribers, I'll be very happy with that. But with that being said, without further ado, let's get right into the video, y'all. I'll probably show y'all what they have around. They don't really have too much, but maybe once they have some cars pulling up, you know, I'll be able to show y'all. But let's go ahead and get right into the video, y'all. Hope y'all guys enjoyed. Let's see what this Mel'S Diner car meet has to offer for today, y'all. Here we go, fellas. Hope y'all enjoy. Let's get right into it. So right over here, y'all, we got the C3 Corvette right over here. Very nice seeing that. And we also have the Boss 302 Ford Mustang. And then over here we have the Cadillac, the old school classic Cadillac right here. And we got this Dark Horse right here as well, as I see. Very nice seeing that. And then we got this Mustang right here. Very nice. And then we also have this Mustang right over here, 2.3. And then we also have this 5.0 Mustang and the BMW. Very decent lineup, nonetheless. Check this out, y'all. We got the ZL11 right here, the 933 horsepower one. Very nice seeing that in that white with the carbon, of course, we see. Very cool seeing this car out again. So right over here, y'all, we got the C5 and C7 Corvette right here. Very nice Corvette lineup, of course, for this Mel'S Diner meet. We got the silver one right here, and we got this one, the C7 Stingray. We got this F-Type right over here, this Jaguar F-Type. This is one of the nicest ones. We've seen this guy many times before, y'all. It's definitely nice to see him out again. He's definitely been driving this car a whole lot. So right over here, y'all, we got the Hemi RT 345 manual Challenger right here. Very nice. It's got the red Hemi badge. Very nice. And way over here, we have an old school Wagoneer Cadillac right here. I don't even get to see those very often. There's only a couple of them I've been seeing around here in the local area, but you don't see a lot of these in this color. Very nice. Check this out, y'all. We got an old C3 Vet rolling in right here in that candy red. Very nice seeing that. Check this out, y'all. We got the biker right here, the 300 SS right here. The CF Moto, I see. I don't know nothing about bikes, man, but this thing is definitely nice, man. It's got the carbon exhaust, I see. Pretty much everything you could look at. Definitely got to show some love to the bikers. Check this out, y'all. We got the Ford F-150 truck right here, the single cab. I didn't even know where he came from. I didn't even see him roll in. He must have came from sneaking in the back somewhere. But very nice to see that out as well, y'all. Check this out, y'all. Got an old Cadillac right here rolling up. Thing sound crazy. Check this out, y'all. We got the Challenger right over here. Very nice seeing that out as well. And then we got the charger I brought out for this meet as well too. Very cool actually. Then over here we have Mrs. Claire right here with the newer Volkswagen. This time it's actually a Wagoneer. And we had the Nissan 370Z right here. Very nice. And then we also have the C6 Vet right here, y'all. Very nice seeing that. And then we also have another C6 in the same exact color red. Check this out, y'all. We got this Camaro right here with the welds and the skinnies up front and big tires in the back. And then over here we have a 5.0 Mustang. Nice. Check this out, y'all. Got the Shelby GT500 right here, one of the old models. We've seen this guy many times before. And then over here we have the C6 right here, rolling in, all black, with the chrome wheels, man. It's gonna back up like right here. Check this out, y'all. Got the Shelby GT350 right there. It's gonna back in right here too, yeah. One of the nicest cars you'll ever see out. And then check this out, y'all. Right behind that, we got a Scat Pack. One of the lime green Scat Pack RT Scats. SRT. We got a couple bikes right here. We got this one right here, that one right there. Very nice seeing both of them out. From Texas. It's a really nice looking car, man. Definitely a beautiful spec on the white. That thing is nice, man, for a Ferrari, man. Look at this. Go, y'all. We got the SRT charger right here, SRT Life, old boy right here with his charger. One of the loudest chargers, of course, in the local area. Very nice seeing that out. Check this out, y'all. We got the Pontiac G8 right here, and we got the GTO, of course, and the white Genesis. Very nice seeing all these three out. Got the C8 right over here. Very nice seeing that. I don't even know why he just left it like this. But for sure enough, it's definitely a nice looking car. Got the interior right here. Very nice. Yeah, got the Dodge Durango right over here. And we also have the C7, Wicked C7. And Storm with the Camaro SS. comes this guy. Look at this thing, y'all. Got the hot rod. Thing is beautiful. Goes that Mustang right there. He ain't gonna do nothing. Check this out, y'all. We got a Honda Type R right here. Honda Civic Type R. It's got the red interior. Very nice seeing that. One of the nicest cars out. Alrighty, y'all. That's gonna end today's video, y'all. Hope y'all guys enjoyed. Y'all leave me some likes, some comments, all that good stuff. Share with y'all friends, family, whoever, y'all. Y'all help me get up to 900 subscribers on YouTube. And I'll catch y'all guys in the next video, y'all. Peace.